Welcome to this exploration into one of the most mind-expanding concepts in science, quantum field theory, QFT, and its fascinating relationship with the thoughts you have every day. Imagine that your thoughts aren't just abstract ideas confined to your brain, but rather powerful energies that can interact with the very fabric of reality itself. What if I told you that the universe, in all its mystery, is waiting for your conscious participation to shape the reality you experience? This is where quantum field theory and the power of thought come together. In this video, we will explore how the universe operates on a fundamental level that involves interconnected energy fields and how your thoughts might influence these energies. By the end, you will understand how, through intention and awareness, your thoughts can interact with the quantum field and influence the world around you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our explorations into the wonders of the universe and how to harness your true power. The foundations of quantum field theory. Quantum field theory is a central pillar of modern physics, offering a comprehensive explanation of how the universe works at its most fundamental level. At its core, QFT explains that every particle, whether it's part of matter, light, or any form of energy, exists as an excitation of a quantum field. These fields permeate all of space and time, and every particle we observe is merely a localized vibration or disturbance within these fields. To better understand QFT, imagine a calm pond. The water's surface is smooth and undisturbed. This represents a quantum field in its ground state. When you drop a stone into the pond, it causes ripples or disturbances. Similarly, quantum fields fluctuate, and these fluctuations give rise to what we perceive as particles. Unlike classical physics, where particles are seen as solid objects, in quantum theory, they are understood as probabilities or wave-like excitations in a field. This realization opens up a profound perspective on the universe. Everything, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, is interconnected through these quantum fields. These fields aren't just passive, they are dynamic, constantly fluctuating and alive with potential. The implications for understanding the nature of the universe and our place within it are enormous. The observer effect, consciousness and reality. One of the most intriguing aspects of quantum physics is the observer effect, which suggests that the act of observing a quantum system can alter its behavior. This was famously demonstrated in the double-slit experiment, where particles like electrons were shown to behave as both particles and waves, depending on whether they were being observed. When left unobserved, these particles seemed to pass through both slits at once, exhibiting wave-like properties. But when measured, they behaved like particles, appearing in one slit or the other. So, what does this mean for us? The observer effect points to a profound truth. Consciousness plays an active role in shaping the reality we experience. The act of observation doesn't merely reflect reality, it seems to influence it at a fundamental level. If consciousness can influence the behavior of subatomic particles, could our thoughts and awareness influence the fabric of the universe itself? This is where quantum field theory intersects with the power of human consciousness. By understanding the observer effect, we begin to grasp that our thoughts, as expressions of consciousness, have a tangible impact on the quantum field. As we direct our attention and focus, we may be creating or altering possibilities in the quantum realm. Our minds may not be separate from the energy that surrounds us, but intricately connected with it. Thoughts as energy, the power of intention. Your thoughts are not just abstract phenomena, they are forms of energy. Brain activity, for instance, generates electrical signals, which can influence not only your internal state, but also the external world. This makes the idea that thoughts are energetic forces far more than speculative. Your thoughts have real measurable energy, and this energy could potentially interact with the quantum field, influencing your reality in profound ways. The concept of intention is key here. Intention isn't merely wishful thinking, it's focused energy directed toward a specific outcome. When you set an intention, whether it's related to personal growth, success, or health, you're focusing your mental and emotional energy to create a specific result. But how does this relate to quantum physics? Think of it as a signal being sent into the quantum field, a request for a particular outcome from the infinite realm of possibilities that exist in the field. Meditation, visualization, and affirmations are all practices that involve directing thought energy with intention. When practiced consistently, these techniques may help you tap into the quantum field, influencing the probabilities of the outcomes you desire. The more you align your thoughts and intentions with the energy of the universe, the more likely it is that your desires will manifest. The unified field. Everything is connected. The idea of a unified field brings us to the profound realization that the universe is not made up of isolated entities, but is a web of interconnected energy. This concept is central to both quantum physics and many spiritual traditions, which emphasize the interconnectedness of all life. According to quantum theory, all matter and energy in the universe are connected through the quantum field, a field that underlies everything. This interconnectedness means that every thought you have, every intention you set, ripples out into the quantum field, influencing not just your personal reality, but the greater whole. In essence, your thoughts can affect everything around you, from the people you interact with to the broader events that unfold in your life. Just as a single drop of water creates ripples in a pond, your focused thoughts and intentions create ripples in the quantum field. These ripples have the potential to influence the fabric of reality itself. As you become more aware of your thoughts and how they interact with the universe, you begin to realize your immense potential to create change, not only within yourself, but in the world at large. Practical tools, meditation, and mindfulness. If your thoughts are indeed influencing the quantum field, how can you actively engage with this energy? Meditation and mindfulness are two of the most effective tools you can use to focus your thoughts and tap into the vast potential of the quantum field. Meditation helps you quiet the mind, allowing you to connect with the present moment and direct your thoughts with intention. In some meditation practices, like transcendental meditation, you repeat a mantra or focus on your breath, which helps you enter a state of deep concentration. This focused awareness can be likened to tuning into a specific frequency on the radio. By clearing mental distractions, you may be able to tune into the quantum field more effectively. Mindfulness, on the other hand, is about being present with your thoughts in everyday life. It involves observing your thoughts without judgment, allowing you to cultivate a deep awareness of the present moment. Through mindfulness, you become more attuned to the energetic quality of your thoughts, enabling you to direct your attention and energy more consciously. Together, these practices form a powerful toolkit for aligning your consciousness with the quantum field, allowing you to shape your reality with intention and awareness. The role of emotions in quantum interactions. Emotions are another powerful force that affects the quantum field. Just as thoughts are forms of energy, so are emotions. Emotions can be seen as energy in motion, and they carry a vibrational frequency that influences the environment around us. Positive emotions like love, joy, and gratitude vibrate at a higher frequency, while negative emotions like fear, anger, and sadness vibrate at a lower frequency. These emotional energies can interact with the quantum field, influencing not just your personal experiences, but the broader world. This is why cultivating positive emotions and maintaining a positive mindset is so important. When you vibrate at a higher frequency, you are more likely to attract positive outcomes and experiences. In fact, some quantum physicists suggest that emotions, like thoughts, can act as a kind of signal to the quantum field, influencing which potentialities become actualized in your life. By cultivating positive emotions and focusing on gratitude, love, and joy, you may be able to harness the full potential of the quantum field, attracting the experiences and outcomes you desire. The future of quantum consciousness. Expanding human potential. As our understanding of quantum physics continues to evolve, the intersection of consciousness and the quantum field is becoming an increasingly exciting frontier. New research in quantum consciousness, a field that explores how consciousness interacts with quantum processes, suggests that our thoughts and awareness might be much more powerful than we previously realized. This understanding opens the door to a future where we can actively influence the quantum field through focused thought and intention, leading to profound changes in our lives and in society. As science continues to uncover the mysteries of the quantum realm, it's clear that the relationship between consciousness and energy is one of the most transformative areas of exploration. Quantum field theory reveals a universe far more connected and malleable than we ever imagined. Your thoughts and intentions are not isolated phenomena. They are part of an intricate dance of energy that shapes the world around you. By understanding the quantum field and its interaction with your consciousness, you can begin to harness the power of your thoughts to create the reality you desire. Remember, the energy of the universe is not separate from you. It is you. Your thoughts, your intentions, and your awareness are all part of this vast, interconnected field of energy. You have the power to influence this field and create profound change in your life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to subscribe and share it with others. We're all part of the same quantum field, and together, we can harness its power to transform our lives.